Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. As you can see, I'm out on the bike for a wheel. Bit of a short video today. I just wanted to put out that reminder again for the gravel event next weekend. If you want to come and join me, I've at least got 4 names from the comments and people who've reached out. There's going to be 5 of us doing that ride. All the details will be below in this video, and the route will be linked in the top comment if you want to find out all about it. In short, it's 100 miles around Nottinghamshire. Off-road, gravel, stroke, mountain bike. Got some planned stops in there. One of those will be a cafe stop, still to be confirmed. But yeah, the date is next Saturday, 16th of November. It starts at CLUMBER Park. The starting location is opposite the gate. There's a cafe there called the Fire Truck Cafe. Again, all the details down below. We'll get you there about half an hour early, just so you know, everybody's not rushing away all at once. It's going to be a 9 o'clock start. Whatever the weather. What else I need to tell you? It's not an official ride. It's a free event put on for me, by me. You can have to look after yourself. You're responsible for your own actions. It's not a lead ride or anything like that. If you feel like you can't make it around, it's up for you to find your own way home, kind of thing. Of course, we'll look after you. So it does, big goes wrong. Not going to leave you completely stranded, kind of thing. But just to let you know, it's not an official event. Just a bike ride with, a few people who share the same passion for riding bikes. You might notice the screen behind me, the sky rather. It's so white. I mean, this week it's just been overcast. I'm hoping next weekend, the sun comes out and it doesn't rain. Anything but this dreariness. Anyway, if you want to either just show up for the ride itself or put some intention down in the comments below, just to get an idea with numbers and things. Any information that I've not already told you will be down below the video. So go check out that route, 100 miles, not too much climbing. Shall see you next weekend. Take care, bye bye.